Hey friends, welcome back to AI Finder. Today we're looking at a tool that makes video editing feel almost unreal. Instead of timelines and manual edits, you just type what you want to change. Why traditional video editing falls short. Traditional video editing is powerful, but it's slow and complicated. Even simple changes like swapping an object or fixing a background can take hours. For many creators, the tools get in the way of creativity. Pippit's Video Agent, powered by Seedance 2.0, lets you edit videos using text alone. From scene changes to detailed edits, everything is handled by AI with no manual work. Pippit's Video Agent, powered by Seedance 2.0, lets you edit any part of a video just by text. Say the change. See the change. Multiple reference inputs. One of the most advanced features in Seedance 2.0 is multiple reference inputs, and this is where things get really impressive. For example, you can take the person from one image, combine them with the motion or posture from a specific moment in another video, and generate a new scene that blends both references naturally. You're not limited to a single image or clip. You can combine multiple images and videos as references and tell the model exactly how to use each one. Precise object swap. Another standout feature is precise object swapping. You can replace objects inside a video while keeping everything else consistent. Lighting, angle, hand position, and motion stay natural. Here you can see how the object is swapped cleanly, while keeping the original lighting, reflections, and background fully intact. No manual masking, no extra cleanup. Background change. Changing a background is usually one of the most painful editing tasks. Clean background removal. Colors are beautiful. Motion remains same. You can replace the background in any scene just by describing what you want. The subject remains intact, edges look natural, and the lighting stays consistent with the new environment. Whether you want a studio look, a cinematic city scene, or a completely different setting, it works without manual masking or green screens. It's clean, fast, and surprisingly polished. Remove objects seamlessly. Another feature creators will appreciate is the ability to remove objects from a video. You can tell Seedance 2.0 to remove an unwanted element from a clip and everything else remains unchanged. This alone can save hours of cleanup work in post-production. Mimic camera movement with text. Camera movement is where Seedance 2.0 really start to be high quality. Instead of reshooting footage or using complicated camera rigs, you can describe how you want the camera to move. Overhead shots, dynamic pans, angle shifts, and close-ups can all be simulated using text. This gives creators far more flexibility to experiment with storytelling and composition, even after the footage is already created. Why this matters for creators. What makes all of this special is accessibility. You don't need advanced editing skills to get professional level results. AI is handling the technical complexity. Final thoughts. Seedance 2.0 on Pippit's Video Agent is one of the most impressive AI video editing models we've seen so far. It's flexible, precise, and genuinely creator-friendly. Apply now to try Dreamina Seedance 2.0 in early access. The link is in the description. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.